right in the middle of my video. Wow, Georgia. Wow. Y'all know what it is, bruh. It's your boy, City Country Hero. We back at it again. I keep looking at my stuff because it's easy on the selfie mode. We not editing, bruh. No editing in this piece except for when I add B-roll and stuff like that. But we're not going to talk about that. We're going to let that slide. Today, as y'all see the beautiful coconuts back there, I think I'm going to switch her colors up sometime. I'm not sure. Today, though, I want to talk to y'all about why I chose the Mcgaughys 6.5-inch lift kit for the Ford F-150. Okay? Let's talk about it, bro. Real quick, we're gonna get to it, bro. The stunt factor. Now, we can all agree that the Mcgaughys is Mcgaughys, bro. I mean, people stunt in Mcgaughys, man. I mean, when you see people pull up in Mcgaughys, it automatically seems like they just finna, they you know what I'm saying? It got a stunt factor, bro. I don't even know if I'm saying it right. Mcgaughys sound exotic as hell, bro. Probably from, you know, Europe or something. Anyways, we don't really care about that. But as you can see, people do stunt with Mcgaughys, bro. I mean, it is the thing. It's the vibe. You get it? Number 2, bro. Second reason why I chose Mcgaughys. We just gonna cut it short at like 5, I guess. Second reason why I chose Mcgaughys is none other than the cross member. Now, bruh, the cross member is just dope. I mean, let's be honest, bruh. Cross member is dope. It's even more dope because of the fact that I have a lot of satin chrome, you know, going around the truck, including the wheels and the handles. You know what I mean? Like, it just goes with the flow of the truck. So it actually kind of helps me out a lot, you know, with piecing together the colors in my truck. It helps me out a whole lot. A whole lot. All right. Let's get to number 3. Number 3 is the compression struts, bro. The compression struts are dope. Number 1 selling fact. I guarantee most people buy this kit for the Ford F-150 because them 2 little balls in the front, bro. Them 2 little balls, bro. Them 2 little balls. Them 2 little balls set it off, bro. I ain't gonna lie, them 2 little balls set it off. Make your stuff look real exotic and squeak, stuff like that. You feel me? Now, number 4. Damn, I forgot what number 4 was, bro. Hold on, let me take my notes. Check the notes, bro. Matter of fact, I already gave away one of the reasons, and number 4 happens to be, with this case, the color. This color just goes along with everything else. It just kind of flows. Now, I know it's not so much a satin chrome, but it is a silver, and it does help blend in a whole lot better and still add a little stunt. You feel me? Especially with the wheels and everything, it just it ties in. It ties in, bro. It ties in. And I don't know, man. For some trucks, it may not work, but for my truck, I didn't even have to do nothing extra after. It came the color that I pretty much wanted it, you know? So, number 5 is going to be the customization. Now, what I mean by customization is, y'all don't remember, and I said in another video that I was going to change out the faceplate. Well, you can take this faceplate off. There's a black plate underneath. I have it like this to make it reflect. There's a black plate underneath it, and you can pretty much paint it, or in my case, I wrapped it in a reflective wrap, and you pretty much do whatever you want to do with it, man. I'm thinking about changing it up again. I think I'm gonna put the chromatic wrap that I have going across my roof under there, and it's just gonna like flop through colors, bro. I'm just gonna do something nasty, you know? I mean, that's pretty much it. You feel me? 5 reasons, bro. I gave them to you. That's why I chose Mcgaughys over most of the other lift kits. FTS is pretty, I'm not gonna lie. I felt like it was too much chrome, and I wasn't gonna be able to do anything with it, you know, when it comes to customization. At least with the Mcgaughys and the FTS, you can run lights today. I think you do lights with most of the lifts except for Super Lift, if I'm not mistaken. I think Super Lift doesn't really have a cross member where you can like make lights shine out of it or something like that. But regardless of which, those are the reasons that I chose Mcgaughys lift, and this is the reasons I chose this location. to shoot this video, bro. Even though it rained on me. It's all right, Georgia. We still love you. And I'm out. Bow, 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 bow. Damn.